Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the Patch Tuesday kind of roundup. We're going to check out what is in there, and of course, Patch Tuesday is second Tuesday of each month. Today we have one for security updates. It is November 9th, 2021. Windows 8.1, Windows 10, and Windows 11 all get their Patch Tuesday today. So it fixes 55 security flaws. That is a average number. You know, we've seen some up to 100 and more. Now, it's not just Windows. It's across all the different software that Microsoft has. So Windows has some of it, but it's really, Office has a few flaws, including one very critical for Excel. Microsoft Exchange also has a very, very serious flaw. 6 of the 55 flaws are 0 days. That means that they are critical and they have been found recently. Of these 6 0 days, 2 are exploited in the wild already, but these are the Exchange and the Excel bugs that are exploited in the wild. So not in Windows itself. When we take a look at what are the different bugs, well, there's 20 elevation of privilege vulnerabilities, 2 security feature bypass, 15 remote code execution, 10 information disclosure, 3 denial of service, and 4 spoofing vulnerabilities that are in there. So in Windows 10, cumulative update is KB 500.7186 and KB 500.7189. And in Windows 11, it's KB 500.7215. In Windows 10, it actually is, if you look at the Windows version, going to give you, in the Windows version, a ending that is in 1348. So version 2004, that's the May 2020 update, is 19041. The 20H2 is 19042. 21H1 is 19043. That's the one I have here. If you're on the Insider Rings and Release Preview, you have 21H2 for Windows 10. That is 19044. But the ending of all 4 of these versions is 1348, since it's the core of the same, pretty much the same version with a few exceptions. In Windows, the 0 days that are in Windows have to do with 2 Windows Remote Desktop Protocol information disclosure and 3D Viewer remote code execution vulnerability. These are, of course, critical. That means they're easy to exploit, and if basically you have not fixed those, that means that going to a website or going, clicking a link, anything that would have shady code in it that could exploit this would instantly turn your machine into whatever they want, a zombie machine infected with, malware or ransomware, or they would do just really what they want. It's once they have access, it's like somebody at your computer and having access. For the rest, the 49 other flaws are important. Important means it's a little more difficult to exploit. Often you need help already, or you need to be at the computer, or have access to it. But it is not as easy to exploit. Still, important ones to be fixed also. It's really, really a good thing to do so. So that's the roundup of today's Patch Tuesday. If you are wondering if you have installed it, look at the Windows version, like I just was showing you. You can also go and check out your Windows updates and update in security, and check the history, the update history in Windows. And for a review of update history here, you'll see cumulative update Windows 10 that is installed today for today, the 9th of November 2021. So these are mandatory and very important to install if you want to stay safe on Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.